Hi, this time we're going to look at how to fix your Bosch Tassimo coffee machine. If your machine stops working, do not despair. It's pretty much one of three problems. Okay, I'm going to show you the first thing to check. So let's say we've just put a pod in there, ready to make our coffee, and the light goes red rather than amber. What you need to do is just check the pod itself. Quite often you'll get a bit of a messed up barcode there. You just need to give it a nice clean and get rid of any residue there. It's as simple as that. The machine obviously needs to know which pod it is that it's got in it. So put that back in, and with any luck, that's going to be amber. So we can crack on and make our coffee now. Okay, and moving on to the second possible problem. I've got a pod here now with no issues with the barcode. So we'll just put that in. Attempt to make our second part of the coffee, and it's gone red light there. Okay, so all you need to do is take the pod out, and if I just show you inside there, just where you've got some coffee or some dirt that's popped onto the sensor there, just need to very gently give that a clean. It's just a small panel there which needs to be able to read the barcode on the pod. So just give that a clean there before we put the pod back in. Give it a try. We can see what happens. So that's working perfectly now. So the third possible thing that it might be if your machine's not working is when the bottom light here is flashing, and all that means is that your machine needs descaling. So sometimes it will still let you work it for a little while, but basically it just means you need to get some descaling tablets for your machine and do the process. I've got a video for that which is just about to pop up on screen, so feel free to click on that to see how easy it is to descale your machine. But that's it for now. Hopefully you like this video and click on the little like button, and join me next time.